In this lesson, we will focus on adding dimensions to the sketch. Continuing with the Sketch Basics file, expand the Sketches folder inside of the browser. There are a few ways to begin editing an existing sketch. You can right-click on the sketch in the browser and select Edit Sketch from the context menu. Use the same process by right-clicking on the sketch icon in the timeline. You can also select a sketch in the canvas, right-click and choose Edit Sketch, or you can double-click the sketch icon in the timeline to begin editing the sketch. I'll begin editing this sketch by using the right-click option in the browser. To begin placing sketch dimensions, you will need to start the Dimension tool. Like other sketching options, there are several ways to do this, such as using the right-click menu and selecting Sketch Dimension, using the Sketch pull-down, noting that there is an option of pressing the D key. There's also a way to drag select using the marking menu, but I'll use the pull-down to start the Sketch Dimension tool. The first dimension we will apply will be to set the overall size of the rectangle. I'll click the top horizontal line, and then click again to place the dimension. The 3-inch value will automatically appear in the dimension because of how it was sketched. We just need to press Enter to accept the value. Start the Dimension tool again by selecting the same horizontal line and then picking the small horizontal line just below it. We'll drag the dimension preview to the right, noting again that it's getting the proper dimension display due to the accurate sketching. Then we'll left-click to place the dimension outside the sketch profile, then press Enter to accept the 1/2-inch value. Let's take a moment to talk about the colors of the sketch entities. All of the sketch lines were blue when we began to place dimensions. You'll notice that some of these have now turned black because they are fully constrained. Now, place the remaining dimensions by pressing D on the keyboard to start the Dimension tool again. We'll start by dimensioning the arc. Once I've selected it, click to place the dimension and accept the 1/2-inch radius value. Next, I'll select the circle placed on the origin, and note that as we drag the dimension preview, the leader changes. We could also place the dimension in the center of the circle if we needed to. This flexibility is helpful as sketches become more complex to avoid overlapping dimensions. I will place the 1-inch dimension and accept it. And when I do, I'll notice that all of the sketch entities are now black because the sketch is fully defined. Now, we'll save the file, accepting the default version description.